Are you guys tired of spam, emails, texts, scammers? Holy cow, have we never had more than we're dealing with right now? But when you're going through the home buying process, there's something we want to talk to you about today so you can avoid some of this pain and make the home buying process smoother. So let's get right into it. Today we're talking about trigger leads. When you have your credit pulled for a lender giving you a pre-qualification form so you can make an offer, or when the lender is ready to submit your loan for approval, those are triggering leads to be sold to other banks and lenders, and they will bombard you to drive you crazy and try to win your business. I've seen as many as 30 calls or texts in the first hour of a credit pull to a client of mine, and that is just absurd. So why can these credit bureaus do this? Well, they're selling your information to these banks. Now, fortunately, there's a recent bill that's passed that is known as the Trigger Leads Bill. It's really the Home Buyers Privacy Protection Act, and it's just gotten through the Senate in August of 2025 here, that will help prohibit some of this unwanted solicitation. But in the meantime, we're going to give you a couple resources so that you can be bothered less frequently. So we'll get to that here in a minute. There's a couple caveats that we should mention about trigger leads. Some people thought it just happened when there was a hard pull on credit for a mortgage. Now the credit bureaus are starting to sell your information when it's a soft pull. And then the other thing is, if you have an established relationship with another bank or loan servicer from the past, they're still allowed to solicit you for the business. So this is really just going to be a far limiting step in the process. Now, first off, we always want to advocate for our hyper-local expert lenders. Our reputable local lenders are going to be the most valuable resource for you when you're purchasing a home for so many reasons. One, they answer their calls on nights and weekends. Two, they're more established when they work for a specialized lending bank. Three, they understand our local market and have relationships with local appraisers. And four, that your service experience is just going to be that much better. So we want to advocate for them, and you don't want to be working with these other big box banks. Now, some good news. We just had something pass through the Senate in August of 2025 called the Trigger Leads Bill, or also known as the Home Buyers Privacy Protection Act. The idea of this is that it will limit the credit bureau's ability to sell your information when you're going through to get a mortgage. But until that passes, there's a couple ways we can help protect you, or you can protect yourself, and that is go to optoutprescreen.gov. Optoutprescreen.gov will ask for your name, phone number, date of birth, and social security number. Go ahead and input that information to get off of those credit bureaus list from selling your information. Also, something that can be used in a broader sense when you don't want as much solicitation is the Do Not Call Registry. So donotcall.gov is the Do Not Call Registry website where you can get less solicitations sent to you, your phone number. If you want to know more information about something that's bothering you related to the home buying or selling process, make sure to comment below and let us know what you'd like to hear from us about, and we'll create a video for you on that. And also, like and subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. This is David Swain with Clear Sky Professionals in Northern Arizona, signing off.